was give us some direct feedback, critique. What are we doing poorly? What could we be doing better? And what's your hope for our potential as a service? If you're running Twitter, by the way, do you want to run Twitter? What would you do?
I think it would be helpful to differentiate between real and, you know, like, is this a real, verified, like a real, not just like verified, but like, is this a real person, or is it a botnet or a sort of troll army or something like that? You know, so maybe there's like, you can say, okay, what are the comments from, basically, how do you tell if the feedback is real or someone trying to manipulate the system, or probably real or probably trying to manipulate the system? So some way to differentiate between this is a real person versus a you know, is someone trying to just game the system. Like, you know, I see, like, and I'm sure you guys see it all the time, people trying to manipulate the system with just, they're trying to sway public opinion, and sometimes it can be very difficult to figure out what's real public opinion and what's not. You know, what do people actually want? What are people actually upset about versus manipulation of the system by various interest groups, and there are many such groups.